response. You're, running from some predator, using all the energy in your muscles you can. Glycolysis is going like crazy. Your muscle goes slightly anaerobic. You're running so hard. You're starting to do fermentation to keep glycolysis going, and you're making ethanol. You're going to start making some bad decisions very quickly as the ethanol levels rise. Right? So it doesn't make sense for animals with their nervous system to be generating ethanol. So we do the lactic acid variety, lactic acid fermentation. Plants and some bacteria do the ethanolic fermentation. So muscle does become fairly anaerobic under strenuous exercise, and we generate lactic acid during that time. The amount of glycolysis, actually, the level of glycolysis goes way up as oxygen drops. I said overall we're going to get about 32 ATPs from glucose oxidation. We get 2 of them here. We get about 30 ATP here, but this part requires oxygen. If you cut off this option, your muscle cell that's going anaerobic has to live off this option. Well, guess what? It does glycolysis even faster than it did before. It's trying to make as much ATP as possible. So it really ramps this up to try and keep the ATP levels up. So you're moving huge quantities of glucose through this pathway. And as a result, you generate fairly large levels of lactic acid. And that's the burning sensation you feel in an active muscle under strenuous exercise.